Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ayush Sharma. I am 11 years old. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and play cricket. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Moini. I am based in Chamangar. I completed schooling from Government Girls Senior Secondary School.
Hello everyone, this side Sagar. I am 22. Basically, I belong to Uttar Pradesh but based in Delhi with my family. And I have completed my senior secondary. And I have 8 months experience university in New York, and I have a Spanish diploma from Nagar. And now I am learning English for my bright future. Thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anurag. I am from Uttar Pradesh. My 10th class in UP board, and currently I am exploring different career options. I enjoy to playing badminton. Thank you.
Very good. Hello guys, I am Gaurav. Today is my 4th day. I am learning English at LanguageSky. I based in Chamangar. I completely graduate from Kanpur University.
I am Sid. I am learning English at LanguageSky. I based in Soniagar. I completed my 12th stream from CBSE Code and also completed stenography from NSC. My hobby playing cricket, and I learned German and English from LanguageSky to getting a high paid jobs in any other companies. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. Today is my second day and I am from Delhi, Nehru Vihar. I am also learning English at LanguageSky. In my free time I play games and reading manga. I am learning and improve my skills here.